Is astrology just vague personality descriptions, a scam, or is there something deeper behind the stars? Today, we're separating fact from fiction and uncovering the real truth about astrology. Welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and uncover its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're diving into the biggest astrology myths and exploring what the stars truly reveal. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, as well as the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your journey through the stars starts here. Let's begin. Myth number 1, astrology is just your sun sign. Many people think astrology is just about their sun sign. You've probably heard someone say, "I don't believe in astrology because I don't relate to my sign at all." But did you know that your sun sign is only one piece of your entire birth chart? Think of astrology like a puzzle. The sun sign represents your core identity, but it doesn't explain how you express emotions, how you communicate, or how you handle relationships. For example, someone born as a Leo might not feel like a typical Leo if they have a Cancer moon, which makes them more sensitive, or a Virgo rising, which makes them reserved and analytical. The moon sign reflects your emotional world and inner self, while the rising sign determines how others perceive you. And that's just the beginning. Your Mercury influences how you think and speak. Venus shapes love and attraction, and Mars drives ambition and action. So when someone says, "I don't act like my sign," it's because they're only looking at one tiny part of their birth chart. Real astrology considers the full cosmic blueprint you were born with. That's why personalized birth chart readings are so much more accurate than general horoscopes. They give you a deeper understanding of your strengths, challenges, and life path. Myth number 2, astrology has no scientific basis. A common argument against astrology is that it has no scientific foundation. Skeptics say, there's no proof that the planets affect us, so astrology must be fake. But let's take a step back. Science is about patterns, observation, and correlation, and that's exactly how astrology has been practiced for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Egyptians and Greeks, tracked celestial movements and noticed patterns between planetary alignments and events on Earth. For example, the moon's gravitational pull affects the ocean tides. The moon can move entire bodies of water. Isn't it possible that celestial bodies influence human behavior as well? Studies in astrology have even found fascinating correlations. For instance, some research suggests that people born under certain planetary influences may share similar personality traits. And while astrology isn't considered a hard science, it has stood the test of time as a symbolic system for understanding human nature and life cycles. So while astrology doesn't fit into traditional scientific categories like physics or chemistry, it follows its own logic and structure based on thousands of years of human observation. Rather than dismissing astrology as superstition, perhaps we should ask, why have so many cultures across history relied on it? And why do millions of people still find meaning in it today? Myth number 3, astrology predictions are just random guesses. Some people say astrology is just vague predictions that apply to everyone. You've probably heard things like, horoscopes are so general, they could fit anyone. And it's true, some daily horoscopes are too broad and generalized. But that's because they're written for millions of people, using only sun signs. Real astrology, however, doesn't rely on generic forecasts. It considers your entire birth chart, planetary transits, and personal cycles to give you specific insights based on where the planets are moving in relation to your unique placements. For example, a horoscope that simply says, "Great things are coming your way," isn't real astrology. But a personalized forecast that considers how Jupiter transiting your 10th house of career could bring opportunities for success, that's real astrology at work. Professional astrologers don't just make random guesses. They analyze planetary movements, like retrogrades, eclipses, and major transits, and how they interact with individual birth charts. Think of it like weather forecasting. Meteorologists can't predict the exact temperature a month from now, but they can analyze trends, pressure systems, and seasonal patterns to give a likely outcome. Astrology works the same way. It's about patterns, probabilities, and timing, not fortune-telling. So next time someone says astrology is just vague predictions, remind them that true astrology is deeply personal and based on centuries of observation and celestial cycles. Astrology is more than just daily horoscopes. It's a complex system full of wisdom, history, and cosmic patterns that have guided people for centuries. Now that you know the truth, what's the biggest astrology myth you've heard? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to align your life with the power of the stars, don't forget to download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, along with the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner, both designed to help you work with lunar cycles and cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new astrology insight. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.